In this video, I'm going to talk about the biggest concern with doing print on demand on TikTok Shop. So the biggest concern or the question that's most commonly asked is, will my printing partner be able to ship out the products to my customers within the 2-day TikTok Shop shipping requirement? Because TikTok does require you to ship out the products within 2 days of receiving the orders. And if you're not able to comply with that shipping requirement, then your TikTok Shop will be at risk of getting banned. So this was a big issue until now because Printify, one of the top printing partners that you could use, now has designated suppliers that are TikTok Shop ready. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So let's come on over to Printify, and you can come to this exact page using the link listed below. When you're on this page, you can come up here to click on catalog, and then you can hover over the catalog button and come down here and click on TikTok ready. And then on this page are the products that have fast shipping and are compliant with TikTok Shop. So as you can see here, these bestsellers ship out super fast, making them perfect for meeting the latest TikTok Shop policies. So there are a lot of choices in terms of the different types of products that you could choose from. So for t-shirts, the Bella Canvas 3001 is always a popular choice. Another good choice for t-shirts is the Gildan 64000. So these two I would say would be the two most popular t-shirt choices when you factor in both quality and prices. And for sweatshirt, the Gildan 18000, as you can see here, is a popular choice. You can also do phone cases. You can also do stickers, tote bag, or beach towels, and all the other different type of products that you could customize and sell. So Printify is an amazing printing partner that you could use, and that's why I always recommend them. And to see the exact shipping time of a product, you can just click on the product. So we'll click on this Bella Canvas 3001. We can come down here. So you could go with the Printify Choice Networks option. That's when they will choose the best supplier. Or if you want to choose manually, just click on choose manually. And then here you will be able to see the provider's info. And at the moment, you only see Monster Digital, which is the provider that we are looking at here. They have an extremely high rating. Their average production time here is less than 1 day. So that's super fast in terms of a print-on-demand provider. And this is the base price for the product. And if you have Printify Premium, you usually get like a 20% additional discount. So that could be a really good option as well if you sell a lot of items in your store. And then you can click on provider info, and this will give you a more detailed look in terms of the different variants prices. You can check out the detailed shipping option, the production info, the branding. So for package inserts, you can include a thank you message or a discount code for your customers, or you could use it to ask for reviews if they're satisfied with your product. And you can also add a neck labels. So these are personalizable. You can add your own custom printed logo on your t-shirts to help promote your brand. So these are really good options to help you raise the perceived value of your product. You also have the option to add any gift messages if that's something that you want to do. So overall, Printify is an amazing printing partner to use. And if you plan to do print on demand on TikTok Shop, this makes it a great choice because they make it possible to meet the TikTok Shop shipping requirement. And speaking of the TikTok Shop shipping requirement, just so we are clear on the requirement, this is the exact policy provided by the TikTok Shop's official website. So as you can see here, the dispatch and transit time for US based sellers, currently it is still 3 business days. And the reason why I say 2 days is because when you look closer, here's what it says. For US sellers later this year, we will transition to the 2 business day SLA dispatch. So TikTok Shop has plans to switch from 3 business day fulfillment to 2 business day fulfillment later this year. So that's something that's super important to note. So there you have it. If you're planning to do print on demand on TikTok Shop with Printify, make sure that you go to catalog and choose TikTok ready. And those are the suppliers that can meet those requirements. And if you want to see more content about print on demand on TikTok Shop, comment print on demand in the comments below so that I know you're interested, and I'll create more content on it. And until next time, see you in the next one.